Let's see how to redline a document in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, what we can do to redline our document is head on over to the Review tab. Now click on Track Changes. And as you can see from editing, our document is now in reviewing format. So what that will do is that whenever we make edits to the document, it will make a suggestion instead of directly applying it to the document. So let's go ahead and highlight this text. Now let's click on backspace to try to delete that text. And as you can see, that text is now highlighted in red and has been strike through. And for example, we want to add a paragraph or a block of text right here. And what that will do is it will type the text in red instead of black. And this will also track other changes such as formatting. Now, for example, we want to insert another line here, another line, or if we click tab, and as you can see, that will also show up in the track changes. And that is how you redline a document in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.